This year Rubber Dub, Choose International Radio. Original reggae vibes in the worldwide connection. Hear me now. This year Rubber Dub, Choose International Radio. Straight from the foundation, the #1 station pan the nation. All massive and crew, tune in for the best selection. Original reggae vibes in the worldwide connection. Vibes in the worldwide connection. This year Rubber Dub, Choose International Radio. Original reggae vibes in the worldwide connection.
Yourself, but as for me, I would settle down so easily every time that I keep traveling on. Every day I go around for every corner of this Kingston town. Yeah, that I keep traveling on. Travel through this town and other countries. Time I think I'm gonna settle down, but I'm hoping and afraid that I won't change my mind. Traveling on. Telling you, let me out, I know it's true. I could really fall in love with you, but till then I keep on saying I'm on my way, I know I'm clear, but all along I know I'm traveling on. Travel through this town and other countries. Time I think I'm gonna settle down, but I'm hoping and afraid that I won't change my mind. Traveling on. My mind, traveling on, traveling on, gonna keep on traveling on, yeah, like a
straight from the foundation, the #1 station pan the nation. All massive and crew, tune in for the best selection.
I see this man on a deep time. Yes, I. The man out the night.
Man, look at I man and say another man there.
I man Santa man there. I. When man make bread I.
Judas was the one who betrayed Christ. Of silver, yeah. Sell him, oh yeah, 30 pieces of silver. But the silver and gold couldn't save him soul.
silver and gold couldn't save him soul. Whoa, silver and gold couldn't save him soul. Peter was the one that did not cry. Peter was the one that did not cry. When the sound of the cock crow, Peter said he don't know. No, no, no. When the cock crow, Peter said he don't know.
This year Rubber Dub, Shoes International Radio. Straight from the foundation, the #1 station pan the nation. All massive and crew, tune in for the best selection. Original reggae vibes in the worldwide connection. reggae vibes in the worldwide connection.
It's time to settle down in the tribe to concentrate on getting a weekly pay instead of begging every day. Father gave us every little thing to make us try and help ourselves, and he said he'd help those who try to help themselves. So if you want to be in that situation, change your evil ways and join this congregation, and maybe you'll soon be living like a king. that sitteth on his throne. If happiness is far away, it will show up someday.
The number one station pan the nation.
To concentrate. Said he'd help those who try to help themselves. Situation. Congregation. Happiness is far away, it will show up someday. Independent life. In his holy way.
International Radio, original reggae vibes in the worldwide connection.
Giant Ivy, want
for the Chinese man. Rome is for the Romans, Africa for the Africans. How can Africans live into Rome and do what the Romans do? That's why the best Lion I we want to go. Yeah, can't stay no longer in Rome. No longer, no longer, no longer. Lion I we want to go. Yeah, can't stay no longer in Rome. They say when you go to Rome, you got to do like the Romans do. How can African live into Rome and do what the Romans do? That's what you can do. Lion, I we want to go. Yeah, can't stay no longer in Rome. No longer, no longer, no longer. Lion, I we want to go. Yeah, can't stay no longer in Rome. If I and I want to leave out of Rome, think to run with it and go home.
Straight from the foundation, the #1 station pan the nation. All massive and crew, tune in for the best selection.
Come on, boy. Say your name is Tobie.
My name is Kunta Kinte.
Kunta Kinte, Kunta Kinte.
As I treat for black ones with and Gambia, West Africa. In my father's village in the year 1750, I, Kunta Kinte, was born. To my mother Binta and my father Amara, trained to be a man at the age of 17. I was then captured, shackled and chained and branded as I made my feature across the Atlantic Ocean. Ain't no more love, ain't no more devotion in a ship called Lord Ligonier. I couldn't even get to breathe the fresh air. In the dark holes of a ship, I suffered from pain, heartache, misery, and seasickness. As I remained helpless, said they made us stop at Jamaica. And the rich Jamaica said they made us stop and sold me as a slave on the corner spot. Yeah.
155, sold to Maserena.
I put down a plantation in the care of a brother called a Fiddler, who later became my friend. Please, Mr. Fiddler, beg you play me a song. Could I never do that? I would have never do a thing like that. God says, let me try one time and then break me waistline. Try another time and I cut off me tongue. Want to stop fight from God, but how much better love I saw. Hey Kizzy, even though you need me, stay put. Kizzy, you better get busy. Come on, Serena's coming. Fit days of the fittest shall stand. Only righteous man shall stand. This a judgment. Wicked God will fall, as I would say. Black roots, biggest pin the tune. We gotta live upright and right this day. But when I speak of the root, I refer to a foundation. And I sometimes refer to a nation. Cause it's a black root. United we stand and divided we fall. I'll stay put, y'all.
This is Rubber Dub, Choose International Radio. Straight from the foundation, the #1 station pan the nation. All massive and crew, tune in for the best selection. Original reggae vibes in the worldwide connection.
Come on, boy. Say your name is Tobie.
My name is Kunta Kinte.
Original reggae vibes in the worldwide connection.
We want to be true. We tell no lie. We won't hurt you, nor make you cry. We only wanna do good things to you. After God's man on your face. Run, run, come to this place. Fa, 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 so I saw it go. Not choo, choo, choo. Not choo, choo, choo.
Not true.
Choo choo choo, no choo choo choo. Do 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 re, I saw it stay. Fa 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 so, I saw it go. No choo choo choo, no choo choo choo. No choo, no choo.
The number one station pan the nation.
Winston, Mcnuff and Althea at the microphone stand. And a man called Azzy at the control tower.
Ba chiki chiki bong, ba chiki chiki ching, ba chiki chiki ching, ba chiki chiki ching, ba chiki chiki bong.
So we're having a party tonight. One species here. We'll make you happy. Alright. So have no fear.
Ba chiki chiki bong, ba chiki 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 ching, ba chiki chiki ching, ba chiki chiki bong, ba chiki chiki ching, ba chiki chiki bong, ba chiki chiki ching, ba chiki chiki bong, ba chiki. Ba chiki chiki. Ba chiki chiki ching, ba chiki chiki bong, ba chiki chiki ching, ba chiki chiki bong.
So we're having a party tonight. One species here. We'll make you happy. Alright. So have no fear.
Ba chiki chiki ching. Ba chiki chiki ching. Ba chiki chiki ching. Ba chiki chiki ching. Ba chiki chiki bong. Ba chiki chiki ching. Chicky chicky pom 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 pom. Chicky chicky chicky, chicky chicky pom pom, chicky chicky chicky,
Winston and them can all be on the control.
Chicky chicky chicky, chicky pom, chicky chicky chicky, chicky pom, hold on, chicky chicky chicky. Chicky 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 chicky, chicky chicky chicky,
This year Rubber Dub, Shoes International Radio. Original reggae vibes in the worldwide connection. The number one station pan the nation. All massive and crew, tune in for the best selection.
This your music, this your rock is sweet, and this your music, this your rock is sweet, and when that
rockers is sweet. Make it so sweet. What make it so sweet? And this your music, and this your rockers is hot. And this your music, and this your rockers is hot. And when you feel that way, you're sometimes out of place. Put on your dancing shoes. Not true, true. Music is sweet. Music is sweet. And this our music. This our rockers is hot. This our music. This our rockers is hot. Make it so sweet. What make it so sweet? Tell me what make it so sweet? What make it so sweet? What make it
This year Rubber Dub, Choose International Radio. Straight from the foundation, the #1 station pan the nation. All Massive and crew, tune in for the best selection. Original reggae vibes in the worldwide connection.
It's a melody unknown, put together in a song of love. It's the magic of your charm that throws me into an oblivion of love. How it thrills
International Radio. Original reggae vibes in the worldwide connection. Foundation, the number one station pan the nation. All massive and crew, tune in for the best selection.
Introduce into the fields, sound play to make you move your heels. This one called the Dubwise Shower. Solomon was the wisest man. Say, a Dubwise Shower, yeah. Solomon was really the wisest man, but he was tricked by a woman some way, somehow. Can't do what a man do and still be a conscious man. coming down straight from my strength. I deem in power each and every hour on the hour. I see a Dubwise Shower, yeah. Make you live a life you love, love a life you live. As you got a mind to live, and the Lord got the rise of fire, I will really give, yeah. Make love for love is lovely. Don't make one for one is kinda ugly. Since he goddamn ugly, you know, see Solomon say so. You know, since he lost the I say so. Jano try to trick Solomon, but you just can't trick Selassie I, no matter what tricks you try. Just say stop for the little children who come unto I, and forbid them not, because they shall enter the kingdom of Zion. Ain't no do that, no do that, no do that, that's wrong, y'all. When you know the right and do the wrong, you just can't stand strong there. And big as someone sing a Solomon song, yeah. Dubwise Shower I play every hour on the hour I tell ya. Gotta work your show and really step into the middle. Show them not the jet not gonna go, yeah. Not the jet really wiser than all, not the jet not stand tall, yeah. Sing John John, otherwise it's man. John John, know where the attributes and everyone I can you while he say John John. Really, 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 really wiser than them all, yeah. Rasta are the wisest man. Say no the secret of region of a Babylon.
This year Rubber Dub, Choose International Radio. Straight from the foundation, the #1 station pan the nation. All massive and crew, tune in for the best selection. Original reggae vibes in the worldwide connection.
Solomon was the wisest man.
down for my bread.
Original reggae vibes in the worldwide connection.
Here kind of music sounds kind of Bermuda Triangle, I would say. Sounds kind of dreadful situation, but I really got to tell it to the nation, I would say. Sounds dimension, I really play, I would tell ya. Yeah, you know, but watch out. On my way onto the USA, I couldn't make a stop, me say me got to make a step. Because me got poor cargo, I head for Chicago, go put them on a fargo. Mama say me got poor cargo, I head for Chicago, go put them on a fargo. I tell you say we going through the Bermuda Triangle. Mama say we going through the Bermuda Triangle. Come me say Captain, Captain, a devil's triangle. Captain, this a danger zone. Because me will and for me color when the devil start to holler. The place get dark when it started to talk. We head for the deep, man, the crew start deep in the Bermuda Triangle. Ain't come on in the Bermuda Triangle. Well, watch a man. Me say me light a cigarette, man, the crew start fret. Light a cigarette, man, they bring a distress because the ship gets a wreck. Ain't come on in the Bermuda Triangle. Ain't a so me say me dive 2 times, my mama never lose me life. But float pan top a man and catch a top. But me say Captain, beg you throw them overboard. Captain, beg you throw them overboard. Because we can't take the journey no more. Until you said the ship get a wreck, man, them started to fret. Ship get a wreck, man, them started to sweat. Me got to light a cigarette. Ain't a so me say he bring a distress. Well, watch a man. Mama say fi road the boat on the right hand side. Road the boat on the right hand side. Me say for deaf you really deaf. Me say no do it on the left because the Bermuda Triangle. Ain't a so me say the Bermuda Triangle. Well, watch a man. Me say that on my way onto the USA. I couldn't make no stop, so me got to make a step. Me say we going through the Bermuda Triangle. Till you say me take a little trip on a sailing ship. But thank you, John, Thank you, John, man. Thank you, John. I was a born stranger. I was coming from Jamaica. Just let me tell you, I was going to America. Just let me tell you, in the Bermuda Triangle. Well, watch a man, me say that some a get sick, some a catch up the fits, and some a talk about the Titanic. Mama say me hold on for me collar when the devil start to holler. The place get dark when him started to talk in the Bermuda Triangle. Ain't come on a this a Bermuda Triangle. Mama say me got poor cargo a head for Chicago.
Straight from the foundation, the #1 station pan the nation.
Now here kind of music sounds kind of Bermuda Triangle, I would say. Sounds kind of dreadful situation, but I really got to tell it to the nation, I would say. row the boat on the right hand side. Me say America, Charlotte Motillo in the Bermuda Triangle.